Hi, this is Mike at AME International. I'm a repair technician here. This is your maintenance minute. I have a 14460 20-ton bottle jack. We get quite a few calls on these where the jack's not lifting or it's not holding a load or the air motor's bypassing air. I have a couple things that you can check and do for daily maintenance to keep those to a minimum and keep your jack running on a daily basis. First, I have this jack here. As you can hear, it's just bypassing air. 9 times out of 10, that's a lubrication issue. So we'll take a couple of drops of any air tool oil and we'll disconnect our hose, put a couple drops in the line here. If you're in a pinch and you're in the field, you can also use some WD-40. That also works really well. Air tool oil is preferred. Usually just let the oil work through. Once you've given a little bit of oil and you retest the motor, it should sound and be working properly now. As you can see, the piston's extending as it should. So that's fine, that looks good. So once you test your air motor and everything's working good and it's all lubricated, take your release valve tool, open the valve up, let the jack retract fully, and then you can turn the jack around. This is your oil fill plug here. You can just take this out with a pair of pliers. That's perfect oil level. If you tilt the jack a little bit or rock it, the oil will seep out, but when it's stationary, it won't come out at all. If it was overfilled, oil would just pour out, and it'll lower itself to that level there. I know a lot of the guys out in the field, when they're running low on oil, they'll turn them on their side and they'll fill it this way. When you do this, you're more than likely going to have too much oil in the jack and then it's going to create a vacuum and it's not going to work properly. This jack has the proper oil level and it looks nice and clean, so then you can just reinstall either with needle nose pliers or a small screwdriver. But you want to put it on an angle and push it. It'll lock back in. There isn't really any pressure inside the cylinder here, so you don't have to worry about. It's more to keep debris out of it. And once you check that, you have enough oil and your air motor is working good, your jack should in the field give you months, years of good service. My name is Mike from AME and this was your maintenance minute on bottle jacks. If you like this video, click below. You can also call us anytime in the office at 352-799-1111. You can also email repairs@ameintl.net. Thank you very much.